Hey there, this is Greg from BKG. What we're looking at today is the EV charging stand, the BKG EV charging stand as shown here. And this is an unboxing of an installation of the stand itself and how the base plate works and how we'd use it. So the box comes seen here, so you get the post itself and the box with the bits and pieces. So what's inside it? So what's inside it should be the head, the top, base plate. We have some screws and the post itself right here. Now, to actually install it, you're going to need some of these. This is a Dynabolt. This is a concrete anchor. There's two types you can get. This type is the screw down and then pulls, as you can see, pulls up into the concrete. It's 12 mil, so you need 12 mil for these four. Or you can use the screw type where you drill the 12 and then it screws down into it. I prefer these, and I'll show you how they install them. So you're going to need the masonry bit, and you're going to need an appropriate rotary hammer drill, like a Ryobi or something like that. I use the Ryobi. I have a Ryobi hammer drill. So first off, as you bring out the base plate, you're going to need to mark out, put this down, and mark out each of these holes on your concrete. Now, just remember, for the power can come through the bottom if your concrete's preset with the correct conduit to up through your concrete, or we can run it through this hole here and then up into it, depending upon what your electrician wants to do, what you want to do. So first off, is you lay this down where you want it. Obviously, if you put into the concrete, you'll place the conduit through here. This hole is let's have a look. This hole is 29 mil. So I'm reading that right. 29 mil. So this should fit a standard conduit. Okay, next step is mark these out where you want them. Then because you're going to need to drill each one of these like thus. Once you've marked it out, you need to drill. Now the trick to drilling is to mark out your height that you want. So see here, I've got 50 mil of hole that I want, because this is an 80 mil anchor. So I want 30 mil popping out. Obviously goes over the top. And I just use masking tape, mark that up, and drill those holes. So once you've drilled those holes in those four areas, there's the concrete, you drop these in at these four corners here, each four corner, and then you put the plate over the top, and then you screw it down and nice and tight. Now, this obviously doesn't carry much of a load, so it just means you're comfortable and tight, and you know, if car's going to hit it, car's going to hit it, regardless of what anchors you've got. But to keep this firm from somebody, you know, opening a door on it, or somebody backing themselves into it, not watching what they're doing, it'll hold it nice and firm into it. Now, before you do that step, you'll need to place it into here. Let me bring this across. You can see this. This fits this way. And if you can see, there's screws in there. There's 5 screws that go across that correspond to these holes. And then they go in through here and then screwed up. Then obviously we place it on the ground and screw it down like this. That's what these, and there are 5 included in this packet here, in there. Now, your electrician needs to decide where you're going to put it. So this has pre-drilled holes, but you can obviously tap any holes that you require in that point. So your wall box would fit here. It comes with a plate, so yeah, and I'll show you in the picture. It comes with a plate, so you can place it on top and then drill it into these holes. Then down the bottom here is where your cradle goes for the cord, and that fits right in there. Now, wall box comes with a cradle type, you see in the picture there, but there are others, they all have cradles to hold it in there. I prefer to use the hose type cradle. Here's the picture here, I'll show you. It goes in there, fits over the top. Now, you're going to need to drill, obviously you want to test fit all of this before you hit it, so that it fits in and that you've drilled the correct hole to where your electricity is going to come through here as per the specification. The last part, once that's on, it's all screwed in and the electrician's done their thing. What goes on is this piece here, and it is secured by 2 bolts, as you can see. 2 bolts in here that go into there, and that creates a waterproof cap for it. That was the BKG EV charging stand. It's mostly used in carports or car parking buildings where you don't have access to a wall or something to put it against, and so it's quite convenient. For example, in a carport, a double carport, be able to place it in the middle and offset it so that cars like BYDs are on the left-hand driver's side towards the driver's door. The Tesla is in the back right corner, if I remember rightly. So it's convenient to have it offset from the wall so that you can accommodate different types of vehicles. The Leaf's in the middle, BYD's on the side, other cars are on the rear. Don't forget to subscribe, that really helps the channel, and some like and some other business. And until next time, thank you.